Hi, in this video we will be discussing GMAT Official Guide 2017 edition Quant Problem Solving question number 199. Let's have a look at this question. If you look at this question, the question says for any positive integer n. So positive integer means n has to be greater than 0. So that is n is 1, 2, 3, right? They are integers. The sum of the first n positive integers is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, so they have given us an expression, a formula kind of. What is the sum of all the even integers between 99 and 301? Right, 99 and 301 are exclusive, right? Because they talked about even integer and also they have said a word between, right? So to find the sum here, right, we can use a simple formula which we learned little bit earlier, that is the average formula. Average is nothing but total divided by number of elements, right? So where in turn total is nothing but average into number of things. Now we all know that whenever it is a evenly spaced list, that is the common difference same, then always average is equal to median. In turn median is equal to the first and the last element divided by 2. A is the first, L is the last, first and last element divided by 2. In our case here the first element would be 100, right, because between 99 and 301 even integers, first one is 100, the last element would be 300, right? That's it. So to find the average, all we need to do is 100 plus 300 divided by 2. Okay, so which is nothing but 400 divided by 2, which is nothing but 200. Okay, so 200 is the average. To find the total, right, so average into number of elements, 200 into number of elements you have to figure out. First element is 100, last element is 300. How to find the number of elements in between, right? From 100, from 101 to 200, you will have 50 even numbers and 50 odd numbers. There are 100 numbers, 50 even and 50 odd. Between 201 to 300, again you will have 50 even and 50 odd. So totally from 101 to 300, you will have is 50 plus 50, 100 even numbers, right? 100 even numbers. Since 100 is also inclusive, right, so that means totally 101 numbers are there, right? 101 even numbers are there. So multiply with 101. So in that case 2 times of 101 is 202, right? So eliminate the answer choices A, C, D and E. Answer has to be 202 00, right? So 20200 should be the sum, right? Pretty simple. If anybody looking for, okay, is there any better way to find the number of elements? Yes, there could be a better way to find the number of elements. The rule is L minus A divided by D, right? If the extremes are inclusive, then add plus 1. Okay, so how this formula comes up? This is nothing but the nth term of an arithmetic progression. Somebody who on Math Geek probably able to relate this. Arithmetic progression, nth term is nothing but Tn is equal to first element plus n minus 1 into D, right? So I have just rewritten that, right? Nth term here is the L, the last term, right? So here L minus A, the difference between the first and the last element here is 300 minus 100, which is nothing but 200. Common difference here is 2 because it's an even number. Common difference is 2 plus 1, so which is nothing but 100. 200 by 2 is 100, 101, right? Number of elements is 200 plus divided by 2, which is 100. 100 plus 1, 101 elements are there. So that's it, right? You can also use the formula given in the question, right? N into n plus 1 by 2, you can substitute here the number of elements. You have to first figure out the number of elements. So number of elements here would be first n positive integers they are saying, but here the positive integers in the sense first we have to take 2 out common, correct? Because we all figuring out here is even numbers. So that means even numbers will have a common difference as 2. So take 2 out common first, right? Then you do the calculation part given using that formula, right? You can do that, but keep it very simple. As I told you, this formulas to find the sum of any evenly spaced list, right? Always use the average concept. Remember that for a evenly spaced list, average is equal to the median. Median in turn is equal to the first and the last element average. That's it. Hope this is clear. Answer has to be here B, 2200. Thank you.